What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are 3D printing a 124 scale Jeep CJ-7 Renegade. So I already got it, I got the body printed. So I ran out of filament of orange about a quarter away from the top, but it actually looks kind of nice, like a two-tone roof. And yeah, the body itself turned out really nice, and the supports peeled off almost one piece except for underneath the wheel well. So I have the taillights, or the headlights and the rims printing right now. And then got to do the wheels, or the tires and the axles and whatnot, and then we can start putting it together. Alrighty guys, so we got the headlights and the rims printed out, so those will fit pretty nice on there. They just go right in the front, and then obviously you guys know where the rims go. So right now I have the taillights printing out, and then I have to change the filament over to black, and then do the windows and the rest of the trim pieces and whatnot, plus the tires. Alright, now we got the rest of our parts printed out, so now we can go ahead and put everything together. Alrighty, so all the front pieces are dried on, so now it is time to move to the side. And with the mirrors, I'm not really sure how I'm going to put these on because there's no real slot for it to go and it just kind of rests on there. So we're just going to start with the windows and then the fender flares, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so I got all the side pieces put on, the fender flares and the windows, so now it is time to do the other side with everything, so let's get right into that. Alrighty, so I went ahead and got the rear taillights and the rear glass super glued in, and then got just the wheels, the mirrors, spare tire mount, and the chassis to glue on. And I need to print out another axle because for some reason, one of the two decided to spaghettify, so print out a couple more of those and then we should be good. Alrighty, and now it's time to glue the body to the chassis. So hold my sleeve so I don't get super glue on there. So it looks like it just kind of sits in there like that. So that should be pretty easy. So just lay down some glue. How should I do this? Upside down? Then slide it in there just like that. Looks like it'll work pretty well. The chassis is a little bit warped, so I'll just put extra glue in the middle along the frame rails. This thing's turning out pretty good. Alright, so let's go out in the middle there. I'd rather use just a little bit extra. That way I know it'll never come off. Alright, that's probably way more than enough, so put it in there. Alright, let's see here. See how it's a little bit warped in there? You can see through the back, so here, I'll just lay something heavy on there, or I'll just flip it around real quick before. Alrighty, there we go. That should be good. Just put something heavy on top of there and call it a day. Alrighty guys, so I got this all glued onto there, and now we just have to put the wheels on for the most part. I already got one side of them glued in, so now we'll just feed them through. Looks pretty good with those wheels on there. And then flip it around. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. And then, hypothetically, just put that on there. It should be good. Put a little bit of glue just to be safe though. So, put some glue down in the wheel hub. And then let it dry. Try to get it first try. There we go. Alright, and same thing for this one. And then for the spare wheel, eventually I'll print out another rim, but I have different colored 3D print filament in there right now, so I don't want to take it all out just for one little rim. So next time I paint out something white, I'll print out the last piece. So let that dry for a little bit, and then we'll be like 95% done. Alright guys, here is the finished product so far. I still have the mirrors and the spare tire to put on, but right now I have the black filament in. And I don't really feel like changing that out, so I think I'll end the video here. The mirrors, I have no clue how I'm going to put those on, but I will eventually, someday. So thank you guys very much for watching, and comment down below what you guys want to